Hey guys, want to make $5,000 a month with AI, no coding needed? Here's 5 killer ways to cash in during 2025. Smash that like button and let's dive in. AI's huge in 2025. Tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney are your ticket to big money. First, freelance on Upwork or Fiverr. Use ChatGPT to write blogs or Midjourney for designs. Create AI-powered gigs on Fiverr. Charge $50 to $200 an hour. Freelancers earned $1.3 billion on Upwork. Niche down the tech for big pay. Next, build AI apps with no-code platforms like Bubble. Just drag, drop, and create. Sell your AI app on Flippa for $1 to $10,000. I saw one go for $8,000. Third, make viral YouTube or TikTok videos with AI tools like InVideo. Go big. Use Descript's AI voiceovers. Top creators earn $10,000 a month with content. Fourth, analyze data with AI. Use Google Colab for gigs paying $30 an hour. Data projects can pay $2,000 each. Start on freelancer.com today. Finally, sell AI art on Etsy. Midjourney designs can earn $500 weekly. Create AI art or ebooks with Midjourney, then list on Gumroad for profit. Promote your AI products on X with hashtag AI art to boost sales fast. Which hustles for you? Comment below, like, and subscribe. Links in description.